So hi guys, I'm Lou and welcome to Lou's Green Life, and for today's video guys, I'm going to make a pocket for my paper jeans. So as you can see doon sa pinakita ko, that is the yung gagayahan natin. So this is the materials that we are going to use, which is the meters and everything. So I started to make a pattern of pocket. So I'm going to draw first yung kanyang pattern. Nang sa ganon, once na nagsaw na ako is madali ko na lang siyang masundan because of this pattern. So ayun guys. Actually, this is very easy to make kasi ano lang naman siya is pocket. So I started to fix all the thread. Nang sa ganon, maging mabilis lang yung aking pananay, at dinoble draw ko siya nang sa ganon dalawa yung tahi kasi guys yan. So ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, nilagyan ko siya ng dalawang markings nang sa ganon hindi magkamali yung aking pagtahi later on. So ayan na, so I started na tayin na yung aking pattern. So ayan. So guys, after kong matapos, ito yung kanyang image. So parang ito yung replica dito sa una kong ginawa. So ayan yung kanyang itsura guys. Pero guys, before nyo siyang i-attach sa inyong paper jeans, kailangan nyo lang siyang tupiin nang sa ganun maganda siya. So that's all. Bye bye.